Lona owesifazane ona-38 uboshwe ngesonto e-Urodop malungana necala lokudlwengulwa kwentombazane eneminyaka eyi-15 ubudala. Kubikwa ukuthi umsolwa kanye nesisulu babebanga utshwala nokwaholela ekutheni bagcine bebambana ngezihluthu. Kubikwa ukuthi umsolwa wabesethatha ibhodlela lotshwala walifaka esithweni sengasese sale ntombazane eneminyaka eyi-15 ubudala. Intombazane iyalulama esibhedlela emva kokulimala kabi, kanti uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi i-NPA luthi lo wesifazane kumele enqatshelwe ibheyili.
The case against a 38-year-old woman charged with raping a 15-year-old minor after she shoved a bottle on her private parts was postponed to 8 January 2024 for formal bail application, which the state intends opposing. She will remain in police custody pending the outcome of a bail application. Meanwhile, police investigations are still underway to establish more facts around this matter.
Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa uthi kumele kwenziwe ubulungiswa kuleli cala.
The Provincial Commissioner of Northwest, Lieutenant General Silokwena, was shocked by the incident and instructed the FCS to oppose bail and ensure that justice is served.
Inkantolo yemantshi yase Potchefstroom ithi lo wesifazane kungenzeka agwetshwe udilika jele uma etholakala enecala. Kanti icala lihlihlelwe umhla ziyisishiyagalombili kuMasingana wonyaka ozayo, nokuyilapho kulindeleke khona ukuthi umsolwa afake isicelo sebheyili.